So this is a tree that we have to cut down, and this is the equipment that we have to use. Alright, so first we're going to try this compass saw. Oh. Alright, hack away. Yay! Need to saw back and forth. Alright, so far we've been doing this for 2 seconds. Actually, it might work.
And yeah, I don't think this is a very hard tree to do.
What's the best angle once you're cutting close up? Oh wow, it's actually going quite well.
Man, this tree is skimpy as hell. What
Let's do a close-up. Alright, should we stop video?
Alright, yeah, sure. Alright, man, this is kind of difficult, but halfway through. Still recording?
Next up is the hacksaw. Same level. I know, where the heck? Alright, how's this going? Slower. Is it because it's less sharp?
No.
Or is it because you're on your left side? Is it more awkward? Alright, well I think actually the hacksaw might work the best, huh?
Yeah, but it seems like an overgrown, like, leaf. It's not strong. I think I'm moving it.
Alright, should we stop and use the other?
Yeah, sure.
So here we have us trying to get down this overgrown weed. Making a pretty severe indent in there, actually. Oh, there it is. That was pretty easy. Okay, so we're going to axe.
We just ruined the footage.
So cut two of the stems.
This horrible weed. Treacherous little bugger. I don't know what else we're doing. Yep, now all that's left. So here we are, the root is almost undone. The final dying moments of this horrible root that has been killing us for so long. Oh, and it's coming out. Almost there. There it is, it's coming out. The uprootal. And there it is. This treacherous piece of wood. And we still haven't gotten it out yet.
Let go! Oh no, one more? Where's the other one?
Okay.
Where else? Oh, I think it's like underneath. I don't know. Wow.
Yeah, this thing's stuck. Like in the ground.
Push, ready, set, go!
Oh, there it is.
Alright, good job! Hey, next we're going to go to a thrift store where they sell items by the pound. 87 cents per pound.